I'm Senator Silverman on YouTube, and in honor of opening day of baseball 2020, this is an MLB cocktail. It's mezcal, lemon verbena, and beans and bitters. We're gonna do some tropical fruit. I find that during these times, I like to keep some fun ingredients for cocktails around. So I happen to have mango, papaya, and pineapple. I'm gonna puree a little bit of that, which I already did, to make it a little easier. I'm gonna put a little puree in here with the mezcal, the best mezcal to hit the market in a long time, and it's picking up steam, and it's going everywhere. But mezcalCarreño Espadin, it's gonna go great. In Abel's video, he kind of reminded me, mentioned papaya notes, so I'm using fresh papaya. I'm using a little key lime. We're going to squeeze a little key lime in there. I'm going to use two different kinds of heat. I'm going to use a little bit of homemade sliced jalapeno. So let's do a little cider vinegar too. Cider vinegar is really good for you, but it's going to add a little sour to cut the sweetness. And just a touch, like 0.25 ounces of cider. And then I've got some habanero lime bitters. This could be spicy, but with all the tropical fruit, it won't be too spicy. The bitters, put a little of that in here. I was thinking about doing beans, aquafaba. So just a touch of aquafaba. And I know there's a lot of ingredients. I usually keep it simpler than this, but I really like that Yarai style mixing glass that Carreño has going. I'm gonna pair this with chicken wings that I roasted and marinated chicken wings for a few days. All right, that's the MLB cocktail. Hope you have a good season. And mezcalCarreño, thanks for the opportunity to win that glass.